Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day in advance. So in today's video, I'm gonna be creating this makeup look which is so appropriate for Valentine's Day. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell to stay updated every time I upload a video. So let's get started. So yeah, that's the finished look. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And yeah, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.